What it do, 187 gang. We're back at the target and shit for day 2. This one with Bonnie and Clyde, aka Laverne and Shirley. So we gotta look at what's going down today. So what's going down is we trying the blowback BB with the Glock 17. So let's see how this one get. This one a shot. Let's see how it compared to the 19. And then, as you can see, slide locks back, indicating that you're out of rounds. So we're gonna load this back up. Take 18. Alright, you got a full clip. So now, it's first shooting 1. Let's go with 2. Alright, so we're gonna have that one back too. And let it go. Like that, both on car back and stuff. So these is a must have too. But till next time, we'll be shooting 19 next. So stay tuned. Catch you. We out of here.